In the wake of Hurricane Irma, if your home didn't flood, are you paying too much for flood insurance? Hi, I'm Florida Foreclosure Defense Lawyer Michael Wasylik. I'm here in Pasco County, Florida. In the wake of Hurricane Irma, you can see behind me there's been some property damage here in Pasco County. Not as bad as we feared, but certainly there are a lot of people who did suffer from floods, property damage, and the like. Now, if you got through the storm and you've been paying for flood insurance, and you look around and your home is high and dry, and you never suffered any flood damage, you may be wondering, why am I paying for flood insurance? Is it just in case? Is it something that might happen in the future? Or is it something that I'm overpaying for that I just don't really need? And the answer to that is that your home may not need flood insurance. Because the reason you may be paying for flood insurance is usually because your mortgage lender requires it. Your mortgage lender requires you to have flood insurance if you are located in a FEMA designated flood zone of certain types. Now, the problem is that FEMA doesn't come around and visit every single property to determine whether or not your home is likely to flood. They look at topographical maps, geological maps that are large scale, broad brush. They'll look at a zip code or a neighborhood and they'll say, well, this neighborhood has this average elevation, this zip code has this average elevation, so we think they're in a floodplain and they're not. And the problem with that is that not all homes are built on the same elevation. Not all homes have the same threat for a flood. So let's say, for example, your home was built recently. It might be on a higher elevation, a higher grade than a home built in 1960. And so one of those homes is much more likely to flood. If you made it through Irma without flooding because your home is higher up, but you've been stuck paying for flood insurance for all this time, for the last 3, 5, 10 years, you may be entitled not only to get your flood zone designation challenged, you may be entitled to money back. Now, here at Ricardo and Wasylik, we work with lawyers who specialize in getting those flood zone designations challenged, those flood insurance requirements challenged, getting you money back, and most importantly, preventing you from having to pay for future flood insurance for the next 10, 15, 20 years that you live in that home. This could save you thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars. For some people, it could be even a lot more than that. So if you're paying for flood insurance and your home is high and dry, and you think you may not need flood insurance in the future, and you may want money back, give us a call and see if we can help you. Our number is 352-567-3173. That's 352-567-3173. I'm Florida Foreclosure Defense Lawyer Michael Wasylik. Looking forward to talking to you. Hope we can help you save some money in the future, get some money back today, and keep your home high and dry. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.